Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and saving a backup copy. This protects original data. Next, go straight to Review and run Accessibility Checker to list issues. This gives you a prioritized checklist. Once done, adjust zoom to 125-150% or enable high contrast to preview how someone with vision needs sees the sheet. Make sure to keep the checker pane visible so you can act on each issue as you proceed. You now address structure and labeling because screen readers depend on them. Convert ranges to tables so navigation is logical, then apply consistent heading styles and freeze panes so headers remain visible. Once done, add descriptive alt text to charts and images and replace vague cell comments with clear notes that explain purpose or units. Make sure to check that formulas have nearby labels and that dates and numbers use consistent, accessible formats for reliable interpretation. You finish by rerunning the accessibility checker and resolving any remaining errors, prioritizing severe and remaining flags first. Then verify keyboard navigation. Create named ranges, confirm tab order, and add alt text for interactive objects so users can access everything without a mouse. Once done, test the file with Windows Narrator or another screen reader to confirm flow. If reading is wrong, check merged cells and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.